Hello guys, this is Susan from Yeezyhotcom. Okay guys, can you show my website? You will eyes and check out the shoes I will introduce today. Okay, today I got the 2 pair of shoes. You can check them first. Okay, guys can look at this pair of shoes. First we can check it's the black one, Nike Air 18. Can check 18, black one color, really special. Okay, and the upper you can check, really soft. Okay, and the shoelaces is the black color, you can check. Okay, another side. Okay, very cool. Okay, and the shoes back. Okay, so good. And the bottom, very cool, very clean. Okay, and then we can check another one. Okay, it is the brown color. Okay, this side. Okay, and the upper, really good. This side have a red zipper. Okay, off-white for Nike Air Max 19. You can check 19. Okay, and then shoes back, so cool. The bottom, okay, really nice. Okay, we can check the list. They are the same, really good. Okay, we can check the difference. First we can check the color. This difference is the black one and another one is the blonde color. Okay, and then check. It is the white Nike logo and another one is the orange Nike logo. Can check it. And this is the blue part and another one is orange part. You can check it. It's a little part. You can check. Very good. And then upper you can check. Really soft. It is the small wood materials, really soft. Okay, and the toe is the best leather. You can check. Best leather, really soft, really smooth. And the lace we can check. So good. The stitching very regular. So good. And the bottom, all black color, Nike. You can check. I have Nike on the bottom. You can check. Okay, and the extra you can check. This is the extra. The 3 shoelaces is the black one, orange one, and the green one. And this color you can check. Have a blue color, blue, black, and orange color shoelaces. Okay, very good. And the shoes back, you can check. Really smooth, really good. Open it, you can check inside. Have a white number, you can check. Okay, another one. The same have. Okay, and the middle sole, you can check. Have only pulling, can check. Very good. It is very comfortable to wear. Okay, and the bottom. Okay, you can check. This is the brown color and the bottom very clean. Okay, another black color. Okay, the long we can check the shoes box. Okay, we can check this one, Nike Swoosh. Okay, this off-white Nike shoe box. Okay, and this side have a size label at the front of the list box. You can check the chain, Nike Air Max 19. Okay, your official size is the 8. You can check. So good. Official color. Okay, open it, you can check inside. Have a hand tag. Okay, hand of white shoes paper. Good. These two balls is the same. Okay, so good. Okay, and then we can check a little shoes inside. We can check the black one first. The stone have a Nike, the Nike logo, and the under have a sports sphere. Okay, inside have official side. Size label, you can check US not 8, UK 7 made in China. Okay, and the chain of white logo. Okay, another one. This side you can check Nike and Nike Air sports sphere. Really soft, really strong, and the inside. Okay, you can check very clean. Have a off-white logo and the size label. Okay, you can check the Nike logo and the size label. US 9. Sorry, US 8. Okay, very good. Okay, if you want to buy these 2 pair of shoes, you can click on our site. Okay, we can review these 2 pair of shoes again. You can check the black one. You can check really soft upper and the best quality shoelaces, and the strong really soft. And this side have off-white for Nike Air Max 19. Okay, and the middle sole really cool. And the shoes back really special. And the bottom really good. It is very comfortable to wear. Okay, and another one. It is very the same to the black one. Okay, have a blue part in this side. Okay, another side. The shoes back really good button. Okay, and the extra the 3 shoelaces. Black one have a black, orange, green color, and the brown color have a orange, black, blue color. Okay, review my website again. Yeezyhotcom. Okay, hope guys alright. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.